equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your HP 15DA0031NS laptop. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. You'll notice several screws securing the panel in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to prevent any damage to the casing. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. After the panel is off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop, including the battery. Now, locate the battery. It's typically a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. To disconnect the battery, gently pull the connector away from the motherboard. Be careful not to tug too hard, as this could damage the connector. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you if you're unsure about handling the components. With the battery disconnected, you can now remove it from its compartment. There may be additional screws holding the battery in place, so ensure you remove those as well. Once the battery is free, take your new battery and place it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard by aligning the connector and pressing it firmly into place. It's essential to ensure a secure connection to avoid any power issues later on. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. After the battery is connected, replace the back panel by aligning it with the laptop's casing. Secure it in place by reinserting the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this can strip the screws or damage the casing. Finally, flip the laptop back over and connect it to a power source. Power it on to ensure that the new battery is functioning correctly. You should see the battery indicator light up, confirming that the installation was successful. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you'll know what to expect. In summary, replacing the battery in your HP 15DA0031NS laptop is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can extend the life of your device significantly. Happy computing! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.